Can our country's infrastructure last for centuries? Are high maintenance costs and efforts slowing down your projects? Or worse, do they create a financial burden and disrupt services in your projects? Have you found a robust material that stands tall against challenging and corrosive environments? And are you at the forefront of sustainability in the nation's progress? Discover stainless steel, one answer to all your problems. The fastest growing and safest material globally, which is now becoming the material of choice for India's diverse landscape. Still curious why stainless steel should be your material of choice? You see, building a bridge is not just a task. It's giving millions the liberty of an efficient commute. When you connect two parts of the city, it's not just a highway, but the road to progress for a nation. Our buildings must stand tall because they house thousands. Our flyovers must stand the test of time. Our future generations must progress, but not at the cost of the planet. Presenting Jindal Infinity Infra Solutions. Stainless steel solutions for success that lasts centuries. We advise on projects. We customize. We provide fabricated components for ready usage. And we provide world-class stainless steel. Build responsible and sustainable infrastructure. Let's pledge to make progress our shared mission. Jindal Infinity Infra Solutions, where the trust of decades meets innovation from the future.